Imagine this. Two students are in the same class. One studies every day, does all homework, helps others, and always tries their best. The other one comes late, doesn't do homework, talks a lot, barely tries. Now guess what happens at the end of the year? The lazy student is still there. Not punished. Not failing. Sometimes even praised. And the hardworking one? Tired. Stressed. Confused. If that feels unfair, it's because it is. But here's the truth most people never realize. This is not a mistake. This is how the system is built. And today, I'm going to explain exactly why lazy people survive, and sometimes win, at work, while hard workers quietly suffer. Let's make this super simple. Work is not just about effort, skill, hard work. Work is a game. And like every game, some people learn the rules, others just try harder. The problem? Trying harder doesn't always mean winning. Let me tell you a story. There was a team. Everyone worked hard. Everyone was busy. Except one guy. Let's call him Elon. Who was Elon? Friendly, smiling, easy to talk to at first glance, nothing wrong. But if you look closer, he barely worked. His daily routine: comes in late, chats with people, goes for coffee, scrolls on his phone, and when it's time to actually work, suddenly he's busy. What happens next? The team has deadlines. Work needs to be done. So what do the others do? They cover for him. Here's the part most people don't notice. The hardworking people are the reason Elon survives. Because they fix his mistakes, finish his tasks, protect the team, and they do it silently. Why? Because they are responsible, kind team players, but this creates a dangerous cycle. The more you help, the less he has to work. Hard workers think like this: I must do everything perfectly, but Elon thinks differently. What's the minimum I need to do to stay here? Simple example, kid-friendly. Imagine a game where you need 10 points to stay and you try to get 100, but Elon, he gets exactly 10 and stops. What he understands: which tasks actually matter, which tasks are ignored, which deadlines are real, which ones are flexible. Hard truth. Most workplaces don't track everything. So Elon skips what doesn't matter and survives. You work quietly. Head down. Focused. Elon is everywhere. What he does: talks to people, jokes around, builds connections, gets noticed. Why this works? Because in real life, people don't just reward work, they reward what they see. Example: you did 8 hours of real work, nobody noticed. Elon spoke to the boss for 10 minutes, guess who gets remembered? Smart, but annoying behavior. Elon only works hard when it matters. When the boss is watching, the project is important, people are paying attention. This is where it gets tricky. Elon has built a system where he wins when things go well, he escapes when things go wrong. How? By doing less. Think about it. If you do a lot of work, you can make mistakes. If Elon does almost nothing, he has nothing to mess up group projects. If Elon doesn't do his part, you have two choices: do his work, let the whole team fail. You choose to do it. And he knows that. Result: success, he shares credit. Failure, you take blame from your view. Elon is a problem from the boss's view? Not really. Why? Because work still gets done, team still performs, no drama, no conflict. Important idea. Managers don't remove problems, they avoid new ones. Firing Elon means hiring someone new. Training risk keeping Elon means everything stays stable. Here's something most people don't want to hear. Some leaders used the same strategy. They didn't do everything themselves, focused on visibility, managed perception, so when they see Elon, they don't see a problem, they see potential. This is the uncomfortable part. Elon is not your boss's problem, Elon is your problem because you Cover his work, fix his mistakes, carry extra weight. Let's keep it simple. 1. Stop auto-helping, don't jump in immediately. Pause. Let consequences exist. 2. Make your work visible, speak up, share progress, show results. 3. Set boundaries, not everything is your responsibility. 4. Protect your energy, you don't need to prove yourself every second. The system isn't fair, but it is predictable. And once you understand it, you stop being a victim of it and start playing smarter. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. Because most people will never understand this. They'll keep working harder while others keep winning smarter. But now, you see the game.